All right, kids, we are going to work on question 1 and 2 of part 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and label these videos as P1, Q1. That means part 1, question 1. Now, we have a figure that is being reflected, so flipped over a line and then rotated to match up with another image. Remember, when we reflect, when we rotate, when we translate, the prime image is going to be congruent to the original image. That means all the side lengths stay the same size. So this is less about trying to figure out the length of a side and more about trying to figure out what side matches up with what. One of the easiest things to do is to write out the A, B, C, D, the vertices of the first shape, and then below that, notice that we start with E, F, G, H, and those vertices will match up with the original one. So if we write E, F, G, and H. Well, we want to know what is in between E and F, which would be right here in this location. So whatever the distance between E and F would match up with whatever the distance between A and B. Therefore, EF has to be the same as AB. All right, question 2 now is about some scatter plot, right? We have a bunch of data points that have been put on a graph, and we want to figure out what a line of best fit. And a line of best fit is literally a line that fits all the points the best. So there's kind of 2 criteria we want to think about. We would like to kind of get about half the dots on either side of the line, all right? And we would like all the dots to be close to the line. So let me show you a couple of non-examples. We could put our line here, all right? We're having spaghetti later, so this noodle was a readily available tool for me today. Welcome to Math at Home. All right, so we have, notice how I would say there are definitely about half the dots on this side and on this side. The problem is not all the dots are close to the line. We have some that are extremely close and some that are far away. So if we were kind of to follow the trend of the data or follow the direction of the data, we need to try and find a place to put this line. If I put it up here, that's probably too high. This is probably too low, okay? So we have the option of trying to find somewhere to put this line that would be close to all of the points and yet have some on the bottom and some on the top. So this would be an example of a line of best fit. So hopefully that helps you with questions 1 and 2. Once again, leave any comments on my YouTube channel or email me at hattoncj@scsdoh.org. Let me go ahead and write that down for you, right? So we have hattoncj@scsdoh.org. All right? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day 2 of your quarantine break, and let me know if you need any help. Bye.